Discover the charm and comfort of one-level living in the peaceful, private, and gated Lake of the Woods community. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers an open floor plan that's perfect for making memories and enjoying cozy moments. The home features newer appliances, ceiling fans in every bedroom and living room, and a welcoming wood-burning fireplace to warm up the space. Key updates include a relatively newer HVAC, installed in 2017, water heater, 2022, and air-cool weather shield chimney cap, 2022, offering peace of mind with major systems. The living, dining, and kitchen areas feature laminate flooring, providing a low-maintenance solution for everyday living. The freshly regraded gravel driveway and replaced culvert pipe, both done in 2022, offer plenty of parking space, and the spacious backyard gives you the privacy to relax, a cozy deck for outdoor enjoyment, and a freshly painted shed, also 2022, for extra storage. Located near the back gate of the community, this home offers a perfect balance of seclusion and convenience. Lake of the Woods provides a wealth of amenities, including 2 lakes, beaches, outdoor pools, a clubhouse with a members lounge, fitness center, golf course, tennis courts, walking paths, and more. Whether you enjoy water activities, exploring nature, or simply unwinding in the community, there's something for everyone here.